Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix app crashing on the XIAOMI 7T Pro. I'm pretty sure everyone has experienced the situation where you try to open an app and it instantly closes. In this tutorial, I'd like to share a few steps you can take to get rid of that problem. For this video, let's pretend I have problems with Google Chrome. I try to open it, but it simply doesn't work. The first thing I highly recommend is to restart your device, as it can clear temporary cache and fix the problem if it's on a lower level. Just press the power button and volume up button once and go to reboot. Let your device restart itself. If that doesn't work, locate the app. In my case, Google Chrome, tap and hold it, then go to App Info. Start with storage. Here we've got something called cache, which are junk files that aren't necessary for proper app usage. Sometimes if they're corrupted, they can interfere and cause problems. Tap on Clear Data and then Clear Cache. Tap OK to remove it. You can try opening the app after removing cache, but I don't think it will fix the problem right away. Go back to App Info and tap on Force Stop. Sometimes, if the app was previously opened and not properly closed, it might hang between states. By forcing it to stop, you cut all processes connected to the app and allow it to restart properly. Tap on Force Stop and OK, then try opening Chrome again. This option usually helps. If that didn't work, the problem is deeper, probably with the version. All you need to do is find the update. Make sure you have internet connection, preferably Wi-Fi, and open the Play Store. You need to be logged into your account, then search for the app you'd like to update, for example Chrome. If the update is available, your device will show it to you. Just tap on Update and let it download the newest version. The newest version will override the older files and fix the issue. Sometimes the update won't work. In that case, go back and tap Uninstall instead. Let your device fully uninstall the app, restart your phone to confirm changes, then install it again. This solution works because your device will install the newest files right away without overwriting older ones, avoiding potential problems. This really should fix the problem. As a last resort, I also wanted to mention system updates. If you have an older system version and the app is too new, there could be compatibility problems and vice versa. Check for system updates by going to Settings, then About Phone, and tap on Xiaomi HyperOS to check for updates. If there's no update, you're good to go, but if your device finds one, tap on Download and apply the update. Not only to fix the issue with a specific app, but also for your security since updates include various patches and fixes. That'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave a thumbs up.